If you think your daily commute is long, wait till you see these epic train trips. From Siberia to Sydney, let's hit the tracks. Number 7. The Indian Pacific in Australia. 4,352 kilometers coast to coast. Number 6. The California Zephyr, USA. 3,924 kilometers from Chicago to San Francisco. Number 5. The Shanghai to Lhasa Express in China. 4,373 kilometers climbing the Himalayas. Number 4. The Vivek Express, India. 4,273 kilometers, Kanyakumari to Dibrugarh. Number 3. The Canadian-Canada, 4,466 kilometers, Toronto to Vancouver. Number 2. The Moscow to Vladivostok Trans-Siberian, 9,289 kilometers. And at number 1, the legendary Trans-Eurasian, Moscow to Pyongyang, 10,267 kilometers. Which route would you dare to ride? Let me know below.